Want the top tech jobs in the industry? If you are aiming for product based giants like Google or Amazon, there is one hurdle you must clear: the technical interview. Statics so that 80% of these interviews focus heavily on one specific area, and that is data structure and algorithm. But why do companies care so much? It is not just about writing code. They want to see your problem solving logic. They are testing if you can move from a simple navy solution to an optimal one that works at a scale. They are checking how your brain works under pressure and how you handle those tricky corner cases that could break production. Before we dive into the code, let's simplify these two big words. Think of a data structure as organization. Imagine a messy basket of fruit. If you need one specific apple, it is a headache to find. But if you organize those fruits into a specific pattern, processing them becomes easy. A data structure is the storage. It organizes data to make processing efficient. An algorithm, on the other hand, is the action. It is a finite set of rules or steps to solve a problem. Think of it as a recipe. You take your organized ingredients, that means your data structure, and you follow steps like clean, cut, dress, and serve. The result is your finished salad. In short, algorithms need data structures to work efficiently. In this course, we are not just jumping into random topics. We have a structured 5-step roadmap to take you from beginner to pro. The basics. We start with the foundation, recursion, and complexity. We will look at big O notation to measure how efficient your code really is. Second is physical structure. Next, we'll look at how data is actually stored in memory using arrays and linked list. Third one is the logical structure. Then we move to the big hitters: stacks, queue, trees, and graphs. These are the structures that power everything from your undo button to Google Maps. Fourth is sortings and searching. We will master the algorithms needed to organize and retrieve data instantly, like quick sort and binary search. Fifth, algorithm techniques. Finally, we reach the advanced section. We will learn greedy algorithms, divide and conquer, and dynamic programming. One unique thing about this course is the magic framework. This is a structured thinking strategy. I will teach you to help solve complex, unseen interview questions even when you are under pressure. We will also use the 10 problems strategy. We will take 10 classic interview problems and solve them 3 different ways. First, using divide and conquer, then using top down, and finally using bottom up. This ensures you master the logic, not just the syntax. Remember, directly, data structures always affect our life. Whether it is a queue bringing order to a line for autographs or a graph finding the shortest flight path between Delhi and Bangalore, these concepts are everywhere. Here is how to follow this playlist. Watch in order. Concepts stack on each other. Do not skip. The basic section contains vital interview theory. Practice. Try to solve the logic on your own.